Alright, this is a quick video on finding the center point and the radius from a circle equation, okay? So this kind of got jammed into this unit, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like, okay? Circle equations have an x, not plus, x minus an x coordinate, so x1, plus a y minus a y coordinate equals the radius squared, okay? So that's kind of the formula for a circle, okay? And you'll see, like, these are for circles that are like on like a graph, like here, and you want to find the point, and you want to find how long the radius is. This is the equation that you use, okay? The only thing you have to know is the center point. It is an xy coordinate, so it's x1 comma y1. Well, from our experience with parentheses, you need to know that the numbers here are going to be the opposite of whatever they are, just like what we've done with quadratics and absolute value, or not absolute value, but factoring, okay, such like that, okay? So these are the opposite. I'm going to put that on here, okay? Opposite. All right, so if it's like negative, if it's x minus 11 in here, then it's going to be a plus 11 in there, like a positive 11. If it's a y plus 9 in here, it's going to be a minus, like a negative 9 as the center. So the ordered pair is just the opposite of what you see in the equation. The radius, so since it's radius squared, you need to square root the radius squared, okay? Because radius, because the squared and the root cancel each other out, so that's what you want to do. You need to square root this number to figure out what the radius is, all right? So there's your notes. I'm going to do a couple for you here. I'm going to do number 1 and number 4, just because number 4 is a little crazy, and I apologize. So we're going to find the center, and we're going to find the radius. So here, my center, my x value is this number. So remember, I have to take the opposite, so it's 11. My y number is that number, and I have to take the opposite, so it's negative 14. So that's the center, that's it. That's where the center of the circle is. And in this case, I just take the square root of 4. Do it on a calculator if you want, but it is 2, all right? So that's it. That's all you have to do, literally, okay? Number 4, the center and the radius. Okay, again, the center is just the x and the y coordinate, but you have to take the opposite of those numbers. So we have negative 8, negative 4. That's all for that. Then you take the square root of 112. If you do that, you get a decimal. This, I promise, is the only decimal on the page, but you get 10.58. So that's why I did it for you. Don't worry about it. Everything else, you will not get a decimal, all right? So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know.